Who is hiding in the dark room, a screaming zombie with pink brains? Or a character from the Powerpuff Girls? Watch funny handmade scenes in Halloween style in today's video. After homework, Double Bubble suddenly thought about upcoming Halloween and that she is scared of darkness. Hey, who is in this room besides me? Whew, only my imagination. But I'm not going to hide the flashlight. I take a black and white sheets of paper. Draw a girl who is scared of darkness on the white one. Now paint this little Freddy cat. Make her trousers be red and the jumper green. And make her braids golden yellow and her skin beige. Now cut out this picture. On the other sheet of paper, I draw her hand with a flashlight. Now paint the flashlight, may it be bright red, and the light is yellow. And draw a green arm sleeve and the hand is beige and cut it out on the corner too. On the black paper, make a medium cut. And I insert the girl's arm into it, and up here glue her body. Print funny pictures and draw their contours on copybook cover. You can paint these funny pics as well. Now put the cover on the girl's picture and fix it with stapler at sides. Now move the girl's arm with a flashlight. Wow, seems like there's really someone hiding in the darkness. For the beginning, I need a white sheet of paper and draw the funny zombush on it. Now paint him. Make his skin be bright green and his brains and tongue are bright pink. His mouth and eyes are violet and his teeth yellow. Cut out his mouth on the contour. His teeth and tongue should remain. Now fold him in half and draw parallel lines with a ruler. Now fold the paper on the lines. And our zombush screams so loud. Cover a bright paper with glue stick and attach zombush picture on it. Wow, it looks so funny! And it's possible to make a great card from it. Decorate its front part with any stickers. And the funny Halloween card is ready. And inside it, funny zombush is waiting for you. Let's throw a tremendous party on Halloween. I need presents, pumpkins, and guests. But my friends always forget when to come. So I'll make a calendar and invitation for them. This time they definitely won't forget anything. Cut out 3 equal rectangles. Fold each of them on the ruler. And up here too, so that to get a small pocket. On the opposite side here, glue an oval. And I draw the faces of Powerpuff Girls. I start with Baby Blossom. She has pink eyes. And now I draw Beauty Bubble. Her eyes are blue. And of course Buttercup with serious green eyes. And draw black sandals to each of them. Now cut off the unnecessary edges up here and draw the character's hairdo on it. The first one is Bubble and her golden hair and blue hair elastics. Now cut out the hairdo and glue it at the tails. This way it becomes a comfortable hair falsie. And such hair falsie is meant for every girl with hairdo. Fold a sheet of thick cardboard in half and fold it about 2 centimeters from each side to get a triangle. And I glue its bottom with a glue stick. Now glue each character up here on the cardboard. And cut multicolored stickers from paper. Cut pink squares in half. And draw the month, date and weekday on our papers. And now place it into the calendar pockets. And such cool calendar you can make by yourself too! On a sheet of white paper, draw a rectangle 6 to 8 centimeters long. And draw the favorite character around it with a black felt pen, Patrick, and color him with a pink marker. Now cut out the whole picture. Fold the rectangle in half and glue a piece of any colorful cardboard on it. And now draw the cover part of the envelope and glue a funny splatter in the middle. From both sides, fold the hands, and this way Patrick holds it. By the way, it's possible to leave any message inside it. For the party, everyone is supposed to wear a costume. Some would prefer to be vampires, while others will like to be mummies. It's time to make a flip-flop picture, and it will show which row is meant for whom. I need a piece of green paper. I cut out a rectangle in the middle of it. Using a ruler, fold one edge here and now chain the edge and fold the other one. Now our rectangle is a moving detail. On a piece of white paper I draw Mavis. She got a short bob hairstyle with a tiny tuft of hair at the back of her head. Her eyes are smiling and fangs here in her mouth. Her dress is black and two gloves on her arms. Down here her striped stockings. And the second picture is with Murray. This character is a bit plump. He got funny arched arms and he adores dancing. His whole body is covered with bandage rags. Now glue the pictures on the moving rectangle on both sides and glue the frame with cardboard on the front side here. And the funny flip-flop picture is ready! And you can surprise all your friends with such trick! For this life hack I need a folder with zip line and draw the eyes and mouth of a pumpkin. Inside it pour some olive oil. Now pour some water into a transparent bowl and 2 drops of food colorant and mix it well enough until it gets dissolved. Now pour this mess inside it and close the zip line up here. Now mix it all for a while. And the funny Halloween pumpkin is ready! It's a quick liquid anti-stress for you and your friends. Whew, seems like everything is ready. I only need to decorate the room with a couple of drawings. Flowers don't fit here. I need something in Halloween style. I take a bubble wrap with funny bubbles and cut several different circles from it. For each circle I need a particular color of paint. The first one is orange. I apply a thick coat of paint right on the bubbles and leave their prints on a black sheet of paper. And I cover the next circle with the same coat of paint, and the third one is in fuchsia color. Each of them should remain prints on the paper. What does it resemble? I think thumb trees crowns. And I draw white trunks down here. And tiny marks with black paint. Wow, it somehow resembles autumn forest with its autumn colors. For this life hack I need food wrap and color it with various markers on the inner side. Violet, pink, blue and some yellow. May the colors mix with each other. Now I need transparent glue. Leave as many drops as possible on the sheet of paper. And up here cover it with foil. Now remove the wrap and it should be this cute picture under it. For me, it somehow resembles a sunset. That's why I draw a black castle on it. It has crooked keep-ups and I make several of them. Now draw tiny balconies and the staircases that support them. And using this interesting technique, it's possible to draw a nice picture only in several minutes. Fold a standard sheet of paper in half and now fold it up here. And draw a cute baby shark on its folded part. Now unfold the picture and draw the mouth here. And may a cute little fish be here in the middle. Paint the shark into dark blue and blue colors. And this is the funny fish with a surprise that we got here. Put a like and subscribe to our channel.